Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your headphones Sony. And to use voice assistant we need to locate multifunctional button what located at the right ear cup. Right here we have this slider and this one also a button here. So you need to press and hold this play pause button, multifunctional button. And as you can see, Google Assistant is awake, so it works. Also, if you set up Gemini, not Google Assistant, you will call Gemini with this button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!